Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be taking a look at making chai latte, or optionally iced chai lattes. Now this recipe will make around 4 servings depending on your cup sizes. You can also just half the recipe if you only want to have 2 servings. For the spices, you'll want 2 cinnamon sticks that are around 2 to 3 inches long, 6 to 8 cardamom pods, a pinch of cloves around 4 or 5, some peppercorns for some added spice, 1 star anise, and some peeled fresh ginger. For the tea, you can either use loose tea or tea bags. If using loose tea, you'll need around 1 tablespoon per teacup. I use normal black tea, but assam or English breakfast tea also works well. You will also need equal parts milk, so 500 ml. You can use any milk of your choice. I used normal whole milk, but you can also use coconut milk, soy milk, almond milk, anything like that will do. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, depending on how sweet you want your tea to be. First of all, we want to toast the spices, excluding the ginger, in a dry pan until fragrant. Now the reason why you want to toast your spices is because it draws more of the flavour out, but be careful not to burn the spices. Once the spices are toasted, simply add them to the brewing vessel or French press with the ginger and black tea and add 500 ml of fresh boiled water and allow to infuse for around 10 minutes. While the tea is infusing, heat the milk and the brown sugar over a medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. And then whisk the milk to get some froth on top. Half fill a cup with the brewed tea and the rest of the way up with milk, keeping the foam back as that is going to be your topping. Give the tea a gentle mix to combine the tea and the milk, and then add a spoonful or 2 of the foam to the top. You can optionally top with a sprinkle of cinnamon over the foam and let cool slightly and enjoy. To make the iced chai latte, simply let the tea cool completely and pour over some ice cubes, and then just add the milk and enjoy. This is absolutely amazing on a really hot day. But anyway, that wraps up this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next week for another cooking video.